this day and age, we've all come to know the term DIY, or do it yourself. Essentially, anybody can figure out how to do anything just after a few hours of internet research and maybe watching a couple YouTube videos. We've conditioned ourselves to see a problem and think, can I do that myself, or do I need to consult an expert? And some of those situations are incredibly simple. You scrape your knee, you put a Band-Aid on it. But if you break your leg, you go to a doctor. Other situations are a little more complicated. You have a dirty car. You can either pick up your bucket and turn on that hose and wash it yourself, or you can take it to a car wash and have it professionally cleaned. The outcomes are going to be pretty similar, but the time involved and the process is going to be completely different. I think the same thing goes with your financial life and planning your financial future. You can certainly do it yourself, or you can consult a financial professional. The outcomes might be pretty similar, but the time and the process involved are going to be completely different. Hi, my name is Danny Beckwith. I'm a financial advisor here at First Financial Consulting. And today I want to help you decide whether or not you can DIY your finances, or if you'd be better served reaching out to a financial professional. You know, one thing I know is that money is necessary. It is what helps us pay for where we live and put food on our table. And to some people, money is the end-all be-all. It means everything to them. But some people look at money as merely a means to accomplish other goals. And wherever you are on that spectrum, I do know that it is incredibly important for you to be planning your finances and being responsible with your money. And that's exactly what we do as financial planners for our clients. We help them understand their situation, determine what those goals are that they have for their short-term and long-term, and then we help them plan it out. It's as simple as that. Now, of course, there are other things and details in between there, but essentially we are financial partners in helping them plan out the rest of their lives. Now, if you're thinking, okay, you know what, I have the time, the ability, and the desire to do all this on my own, then I say 100% congratulations, go ahead and go do that. But let me take a step back and review over those three things that I just said: time, ability, and desire. Those are the three things that I think are absolutely vital to have if you want to DIY your financial future. And if you lack even one of those, it might be time for you to consult a financial professional and reach out to a financial advisor. Now, I'm a big believer in small tests, meaning that if I have a big decision to make, I want to explore some of the outcomes by conducting small tests, things that are low cost and low time. And I would encourage you to do the same thing. If you have even considered reaching out to a financial advisor, find somebody who is 100% objective. Nobody that's selling you anything or has ulterior motives, but someone who will sit down, complimentary, no cost, and really have a conversation with you on whether or not you are right to work with a financial advisor. Now, if you have any questions on reaching out to somebody like that, or if you'd like to speak to us directly, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to chat with you.